For me personally, my family survived because they had skills, they had the trades. So I put my way through high school and college bagging groceries and building homes and building doors at a manufacturing facility. This was part of my life, my upbringing.
One of my missions now with Core Plus is we're trying to get these vocational classes back into the high schools.
Not all kids are meant to go straight to the university, nor do they want to.
We've got to start talking about career, college ready, apprenticeship ready, military ready. Our military is as advanced as we've ever seen in the world. They expect kids to come with those same abilities and skills that we would in manufacturing or higher education.
I have a hard time looking at a blackboard because all that stuff is very confusing to me, but I can touch things and hold things, and then the stuff that's on the blackboard makes sense because I can build this.
For me, I needed the advantage because I wasn't doing well in school. Not at all.
Core Plus is a program that not only talks about the technical skills, but it also emphasizes the academics that relate to the shop class.
Shop class helped with critical thinking in other classes. The difference between like learning in a book and a shop class is, the shop class is more hands-on.
You're learning your trigonometry, you're learning your algebra.
My favorite thing about Chris's class is that we're always doing hands-on work.
Chris's class changed my entire life. It showed me a different world.
It's more hands-on, and I like that because that's how I learn.
I think a really great impact this class had on me and my future was it got me prepared for what to expect when I go to work.
It's up to 3 jobs are created for every manufacturing job.
For me, CTE is that way of telling every kid there's a place for you and the economy needs you.
Some places you just need to go straight to work right after high school.
I like working at 17 because at this part of my life, I didn't really know what I wanted to do.
They could see the future and see what they needed to be doing and what they wanted to be doing.
I know my future. That's a good thing about that class.
This class is impacted in many, many ways. One major story, of course, is the 40 students that went straight to Boeing.
Aerospace manufacturing is a very transferable skill set. It can be used in the maritime manufacturing, medical device manufacturing.
The boat business and the aircraft business are very, very similar because boats float, planes fly, they all have engines, they all have plumbing.
With working in the military and with working with the aircraft, I learned a lot of hands-on skills. I was able to get jobs coming out of there working for aircraft companies like Sikorsky and other major manufacturing companies.
It'd be fun to do stuff on the water. I'd personally enjoy. I've looked into underwater welding.
Going, but if not, then I think I'm just going to go with my AMP.
I feel like welding would help me get into a shipyard because there's so many jobs that are needed for welders.
Main plan is to become an AMP mechanic.
I'm gonna get my business license and I wanna own my own landscaping business, auto mechanic operation business, my own carpentry business.
The sky's the limit here. I'm that guy. I started with nothing.